In this video, we're going to be looking at how we use and how we use or in Java. So we have and we have or, all right? And so how do we denote this? And so here's how we have to think of it. Let's say we're calculating our average in school, for example, and I say I need, over 75 average to get to get my scholarship, let's say. Or I need a really good essay. So we have one of those conditions. Only one of them needs to be true for me to get my scholarship, okay? Whereas and means both need to be true. So I need over 75 grade point average and I need a really good essay. So both have to be true for me to get my scholarship. And so how would we denote this? So let's start with the and. So to denote and, we use these two symbols right here, all right? And for or, we use this right here. So there's two lines. And let's put this into an if statement so we can see how it all kind of comes together. So let's do some integers. Let's do grades, okay? So we'll do math grade, and we're gonna set that to equal 76. Okay, we'll do a history grade, okay? So we're capitalization equals 84. Let's do science grade is equal to, I don't know, let's say I got a 68 in it, so I didn't do great. And we'll do my gym grade. I'm a absolute athlete. I got a 95 in my gym class, okay? Perfect, so I got my grades. Let's start with an if statement. So if actually, what I want to do is I want to add one more in here. So I want to do a double because it could be a decimal, and we're gonna do the average. So if math grade plus my history grade plus my sci grade plus my gym grade, all right, divided by how many grades I got? 4. Divided by 4. Perfect. So that'll give me my average. So I got math, right? Math, I got history, I got science, and I got gym. Divided by 4, it's gonna be a double, and we'll call this my average. Okay, so if my average is whatever condition we decide to set out, we'll go from there. So if my average is greater than 75, okay, I should just do it this way. Let's say the gym grade is actually more important than I originally led on, okay? So if my gym grade, take out gym grade. So if my average is over 75, okay? And my gym grade, okay, is greater than, let's say 80, okay? So if I have my average is over 75 and my gym grade is over than 80, we are going to say system.out.println, you got the scholarship, okay? Close that up. Else, so what happens if it doesn't do this? System.out.println, it's no scholarship for you. Cool. So let's run this. Run this. What are you doing? Okay, so we're gonna compile it. Let's run it. Let's see. You got the scholarship. Okay, so I know in this case, my average and my gym grade were both true. So my average was over 75. So I guess 68 plus 76 plus 84 divided by 3 is over 75, which makes sense. And my gym grade is over than 80, is over 80, which is great. So I got the scholarship. So let's say history didn't go so well for me. So I actually got a 77 in history, okay? Let's run this again. So we're gonna check, again, we're looking at and. So is my average over 75 and is my gym grade greater than 80? We know my gym grade is greater than 80 because I got a 95 in it, but let's run this again and see. No scholarship for you. So now I know that my average has dropped below 75. But again, gym grade's good. So that's the and function. Both have to be true. So we know this is false. But what if I went with or? So one or the other needs to be true. Let's compile that and run it. you got the scholarship. Why? Because I know my gym grade is greater than 80. Average isn't. We checked that before. But the or only requires one of the statements to be true. Not both, just one. So let's do this. Let's make both both are negative, or both are false. We know my average is not greater than 75. Let's do that. No scholarship for you. Why? It's because my gym grade. Let's go back in here real quick and fix my science grade. Let's say I got a 74. Real quick, run that. And now, wait, no scholarship for you. How's that? 74 plus, that's gotta be a 75, right? Oh, it's 75 on the dot. Oh, that's... Well, that didn't go as planned. Huh. Okay, well, let's fix that. So greater than or equal to. Let's greater than equal to. All right. Let's try that again. I was wondering what was going on here and why it wasn't working. I was going to say, like, I'm pretty sure this was 75, but let's compile that real quick. Run it again. You got the scholarship. Why? Because I somehow made my grade exactly 75 accidentally. That's what happens when you do these tutorials right off, like, you know what I mean. You just do them, you don't think. All right, and that's how we use and or within Java.